Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a really long time again. I'm so sorry. I'm probably going to be saying that at the beginning of every video because I'm probably going to be doing this just sporadically because that's just what it's come to. Anyways, today's video was a request. I got a DM on Instagram probably like 2 months ago, and I'm really sorry it's taken me this long to do, but it was a request on how to do, or I'm sorry, maintain red hair. And I'm gonna do that, but I'm also gonna do the pros and cons of red hair as well. I made this list literally when I got the request, or I got the DM to do that, and it's just kind of been sitting in my notes, so I'm going to be cheating and kind of going off this. That's why I'm looking over here, because I have it on my computer. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you have any other requests or anything, please feel free to comment on this video or DM me or however you want to do it. And also please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Okay, so I'm going to start with the pros and the cons, and I'm going to start with the pros. And pro number one is, I think, the most obvious. It's just really beautiful, cool, different color. Not many people have it, which is what I love about it. I don't run into people who have it. Like, it's not just like your typical color. It's not brunette, it's not blonde, it's not ombre, it's not that, and I love that. I don't like to be kind of like everybody else type of thing. I like to be kind of, which is weird because I don't like attention. I kind of do like to stand out from everybody in a way. I don't know, that kind of makes no sense. But anyways, oh, and that brings me to my second pro. It kind of sets you apart from others. Which is kind of what I said. It definitely does. You just are different from others. Just like having a different hair color. I mean, any color that is kind of more of like a brighter one. Even if it's like any crazy color, like blue, pink, orange, any of those like really cool colors, those are going to set you apart from anybody. And yeah, another one, which I'm really awkward with this, but if you like compliments, you are going to get a lot of them. I think the most thing I get compliments on is my hair. I mean, random people, which is, I think random compliments from random strangers is like the best form of compliments. So that's really nice. That's a pro. But the last one, which I don't really know if this is a pro or a con, but you will get noticed everywhere you go, and you'll kind of sometimes get picked on in a way. Like when I was in, like, I don't know, anywhere, like just people notice you, and you know, like whether it's a compliment, which can be great, whatever, or like if you're in a class or like a seminar or like a meeting or something, and like they are asking for somebody to answer a question or be a, I don't know, model or something, and no one raises their hand, they will somehow pick you. I have been there, but just be prepared for that if you want to go red or be a redhead or whatever. Okay, so now for the cons. It is very difficult to keep up with this color. I mean, I have to color my hair every 3 to 5 weeks minimum, depending on like if I'm like doing something, or like if I have an event I have to go to, or I like want my hair to look like perfect, or I want my roots to be like fresh, I'll do it in like 3.5, 4 weeks. But like I will be fine with 5 if I don't have anything to do. I mean, my roots will look like not great, but I don't mind the way it fades at the bottom. Another con is it's definitely time consuming, and with that it can cost money. I mean, you're going to the salon how many times? Like a year, and how much can that cost? I mean, it can be frustrating, and it can be money. So another thing is, if you, I don't know exactly because I'm not a hairstylist, but it can be, I think it can be really difficult to get the color out of your hair if you want to go to a different color, like even if it's just brown. And it probably could be, that could probably be another pricey situation as well. Okay, the last con is it gets everywhere. So when it is freshly colored, if your hair is wet, like I have white pillowcases and white bedding, which I don't know why I do, because of course it looks, my hair bleeds is what I like to say, which I don't even know if that's correct, but it really does. If it is pouring down rain, I mean, and I don't have a hat or something to cover me, my hair will bleed all over my clothes. When you shower, it's everywhere. It looks like it's a murder scene. Like, it's crazy. But that's probably it for the pros and the cons. Okay, so now on to how to maintain the color. So I want to start off by saying that I am not a professional. I'm not a hairstylist. I don't know everything. I probably don't really know anything. Just this is what works for me personally, what I like to do, what I personally do. Okay, so number one, I do not use store-bought hair color. I refuse. I use professional hair color. I get my hair professionally done. That's just a major no-no for me, is the store-bought hair color. I did it for like a month one time, and my hair was just in horrible condition. Like I can't even describe it. Like the color was pretty cool, whatever, but I feel like it was just so thin, and ugh, I didn't like it. Anyways, next, sulfate-free conditioner, shampoo, color safe, all that. Color safe products are great. Ask your Google could probably help you, but I would recommend asking your hairstylist. He or she would probably recommend some great products for you. Another tip that I do is, which some people are really weird about this, but when you have this color hair, I think it's very necessary. I don't, that sounded bad. I don't wash my hair every day. I shower every day. I do not wash my hair every day. I probably only, my cat wants out. I probably only wash my hair 2 to 3 times a week. I mean, if you wash your hair every day with this color, you're gonna be coloring it literally probably every other week, or every week, honestly. It's just not, the color's not gonna stay. And I honestly don't not quote me on this, again, not a hairstylist, but I don't think you're supposed to wash your hair every day anyways, even if you don't color your hair, but I don't, again, don't quote me on that. But yeah, I just kind of make dry shampoo my best friend throughout the week. If, you know, I try not to put like, I don't know if this makes a difference, but I don't put like leave-in stuff up here on like my roots. I kind of put it like here and down, especially here, because this is where, and as you can see, I need a haircut, but you know, this is obviously where most of your hair, it's like where your hair is dead, obviously. But yeah, make leave-in conditioner your best friend. But yeah, what's next? Okay, so this is a little thing that my friend who does my hair does for me. She puts a tube of hair color, it's usually a deeper red, into a mason jar with a bunch of like treatments, like conditioners and all this stuff. I don't even know what she puts in it, but she puts it in a mason jar, and it's kind of like a mask almost that I will put in when my hair's starting to fade, and I'll kind of put it all over, especially my ends. And hi buddy. And yeah, it's I don't really know. There's definitely probably something out there that they make already. You don't really have to make it, but it just has red in it already. But, well, I think I'll say that at the end. Anyways, my last tip for you, oh my god, my cat's tail, come here. My last tip for you is, hi buddy, when rinsing your hair, because if you're like me, I like to shower like in super hot water, or at least like pretty hot water, and that's not really good for your hair, and I think it makes your color fade faster, to be honest. But every time I get it wet or I rinse products out, I will just turn it to colder, like just every time it touches my hair, I'll just turn it to colder, and that's pretty simple. Oh, and I guess I do have one more tip. I don't get my hair wet, like in the pool, the ocean, if I can help it. I don't. Not that I really like swimming anyways, but I mean, it's just kind of a sacrifice I have to make, and I'm fine with making. And yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, which I guess that's what the comment section's for, but requests, whatever, please comment them below. I'm thinking that maybe I should do kind of a product, what products I use for my hair, which is why I kind of stopped talking a couple of minutes ago or seconds ago, whatever, about the like conditioner thing, because I have one and I would love to share it with you redheads, big redheads. I hope you guys are staying safe, healthy, happy, as best as you can. I know it's kind of weird times, but hopefully we all get through it. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time.